Dear student, now I welcome you to my grammar class. Today, the important topic is the noun clauses and relative clauses. In this period, we shall discuss about what is clauses and what is phrases and what is sentences. First, you should know what is clause. You know, clause. A clause is a group of words that form a part of a longer sentence. A clause is a group of words that form a part of a longer sentences. It has a subject, means a clause has a subject and a predicate of its own. You also know single sentences are simple sentences. Multi-clause sentences can be complex or compound sentences. You should look at the blackboard and look at the diagram. Sentence. Single clause, simple sentences. Multi-clause or more than one clause. Compound, complex. Compound sentence has two or more independent clauses. Complex sentence has one MC plus one or more than one subordinate clauses. Subordinate clauses means dependent clauses. So, clauses are two categories. One is independent clauses, which you can see in compound sentence, and dependent clauses you can see in complex sentences. That is, dependent clauses means आश्रित उपवाक्य বা खंडवाक्य. Dear students, now look at the following sentences. Everybody in the family went to the cinema, but Mohan stayed at home. This sentence means everybody in the family went to the cinema, but Mohan stayed at home. Here, everybody in the family went to the cinema, MC, main clause. But Mohan stayed at home, another MC, that is called coordinate clause. So, the first one is main clause and the second one is coordinate main clause, because it is joined to the main clause with the help of coordinative conjunction but. Now you see the same sentence written in another way. 1b, Mohan stayed at home, but everybody else in the family went to the cinema. Here you see main clause is Mohan stayed at home and coordinate clause is but everybody else in the family went to the cinema. From these two examples, you know that main clause and a coordinate clause are the same. Coordinate clause means another main clause. So you can use one as main clause and coordinate clause according to your saying. So main clause, coordinate clause means मुख्य वाक्य एवं समकक्ष उपवाक्य. Now you see another example. Dear students, then you see another sentence. Mohan stayed at home when everyone else was at the cinema. In this sentence, the main clause is also Mohan stayed at home. Subordinate clause is when everyone else was at cinema. So, Mohan stayed at home, main clause. When everyone else was at cinema, subordinate clause. आश्रित उपवाक्य বা निर्भरशील उपवाक्य. Now you should know what is MC. What is main clause? The clause that has its independent meaning. The clause that has its independent meaning or can stand on its own is the MC or independent clauses. Means MC is a independent clause. Now you should know what is a SC, subordinate clause. A clause which can stand independently cannot stand. Which cannot stand independently as a sentence is called a subordinate or dependent clause. That is, we can say in Oriya, निर्भरशील आश्रित उपवाक्य किंवा खंडवाक्य. So here you should know what is MC and what is SC. Now you should know subordinate clauses are three types. One is noun clause NC. Second, relative clause RC. You can say it adjective clause. Third, adverb clause. क्रिया विशेषण उपवाक्य. Now you know about a phrase. A phrase is a group of words that make sense. A phrase is a group of words that make sense but not complete sense. ଯାହାର ଅର୍ଥ ଥାଏ କିନ୍ତୁ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଅର୍ଥ ନୁହେଁ. Now you know difference between the clause and a phrase. A sentence or a clause must have a subject and predicate. But a phrase has no predicate. This is the difference. A subject, a sentence or a clause must have a subject and a predicate. But a phrase has no predicate. A phrase has a sense but not complete sense. You see, activity 1, where have you been? It is a sentence. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. It is also a sentence because it has a subject and a predicate. Like a diamond in the sky, it is a phrase because it has no finite verb. Who pulled her out? It is a sentence. And Jill came tumbling after. It is a clause. Under the queen's chair, it is a phrase. All the king's horses, it is also a phrase. Of the hill, it is also a phrase. A nice fairy story, it is also a phrase. Jack fell down, it is a sentence. A stitch in time, it is a phrase. The clock struck 1, it is a sentence. Pussy in the well, it is a phrase. After sealing the letter, it is a phrase. To fetch a pail of water, it is also a phrase. Student, now you see your book, page number 73, activity 2. Now study the following sentences and find out the main clauses, subordinate clauses and coordinate clauses. I cannot express how sorry I am. I cannot express main clause, how sorry I am, subordinate clause. Jack fell down and he broke his crown. Jack fell down. Main clause, he broke his crown, another coordinate clause. All depends on how the work is done. All depends on main clause, how the work is done, subordinate clause. It is feared that he will not help us. It is feared, main clause, that he will not help us, subordinate clause. It is clear that he is honest. It is clear, main clause, that he is honest, subordinate clause. I asked the boy how old he was. I asked the boy, main clause, how old he was, subordinate clause. The point is that he was absolutely honest. The point is, main clause, that he was absolutely honest, subordinate clause. When his father will return is uncertain. It is uncertain, main clause. When his father will return, another subordinate clause. His great fear is that he may not succeed. His great fear is, main clause, that he may not succeed, subordinate clause. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall and he had a great fall. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, main clause, and he had a great fall, coordinate clause. A proverb is one man's wit, main clause, but it is all men's wisdom, coordinate clause. There is a many asleep, main clause, before the cup is taken to the leaf, subordinate clause. Do you know when the next train arrives? Do you know, main clause, when the next train arrives, subordinate clause. All that glitters is not gold. All is not gold, main clause, that glitters, subordinate clause. He says that his mother is ill. He says, main clause, that his mother is ill, subordinate clause. He told me that he was ready. He told me, main clause, that he was ready, subordinate clause. What he says may be true. It may be true, main clause. What he says, subordinate clause. He waved his hand and boded the box. He waved his hand, main clause, and boded the box, coordinate clause. Now, dear students, today's grammar class is over. Thank you all. You should wait for the next class we shall discuss the next class about noun clauses.